This video explains the grid matching process and how to use the individual connection tool. To begin, open the modeling application and click the SidePlate Grid Matching icon. The Universal Grid Matching window opens. On the canvas, a green building displays, representing the current model, and a red building displays that represents the XML building, along with multiple buttons at the top of the window. The first one is labeled the name given to your building by the SidePlate engineer. Click this button to swap between buildings when multiple buildings are present in the project. However, note that all processes must be completed on one building before progressing to the next. After selecting your building, click Align Intersections to start the alignment command. The middle mouse button is used to pan, and Shift middle mouse button is used to rotate the view. Align the red building with the green building by clicking two of the red discs in line, and then click the two matching green discs in the same order. Now that the buildings are aligned, additional buttons are available. Revert allows you to undo your last command. Zoom to single zooms in on an individual misaligned connection. Move misaligned moves any red discs that are misaligned after the overall alignment is complete. Once all connections are aligned, click Save to write the data back to the XML, and then click Apply Connections to insert them into your model. This completes the grid matching process on the first building. If there are multiple buildings, repeat these steps for each. Now, let's turn our attention to creating an individual connection. This process is used when a connection was missed during the grid matching process, or if you need to reinsert a connection as you work on a job. Click the icon to start the command. The first selection is the column the connection applies to. The next selection is the one or two beams that the column connects to with SidePlate. After selecting the beam or beams, press Enter and the individual connection window displays and lists valid connection IDs based on the sizes of the members selected. Consult the construction drawings, select the appropriate connection ID, and click Apply Connection. The system pauses, and then the connection displays in the model. If the correct connection ID does not display, contact your SidePlate engineer. This tool can also be used for multiple members. Simply select all members that you are connecting, and then click the individual connection icon. The system automatically skips to the window where connection IDs are selected.